Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare mboro. Mboro is a Nigerian delicacy. It is loved by akwaibom people. Stay tuned. So this is the process of preparing mboro. This is banana. I'm washing it. What I want to do now, I want to peel it. These are the process of cooking mboro. Okay, I'm peeling my banana now. Okay, that's it. So this is how I'm going to peel all my banana. For me to get my banana is to peel it, wash it, then grate it. So after washing, I will use my grater to grate it. I'm going to grate my banana now with my grater. Don't forget, you cannot blend this. You can only grate it. You can use any type of grater and grate it. You will get your desired mboro. Wow, this mboro is going to be sweet and tasty today. Mboro, what I will do now is to add a cube of Maggi, and a pinch of salt. And mix it together. That's all. Next thing, the process of cooking mboro is very simple. As you can see, I'm done creating my mboro, even mixed it. So let me introduce you to our ingredients. Here we have uyaya. The English name is tetapura, or adding fruits. It gives flavor to your food if adding it. Next one is cow skin. I love putting it in my pan so that it will be chewable. This one is my onion, and this is seasoning and salt. This one is periwinkle. This one is my bonka fish. Love using this particular one. This one is pepper. And here is my crayfish. This one is scent leaf put down. This one is my oil, palm oil. And my meat, to make it very rich. That is it. So what I will do now is to place my pot on fire Add enough water that can carry all these my ingredients and steam it for 5 to 10 minutes. Let me fetch some water. So what I will do is to boil my fish. This is my fish. And cow skin and uyayak with a little onion and a spoon of pepper and some meat. And my crayfish. And boil it for 10 minutes. Now is palm oil. And then my periwinkle. This time around we are going to cover it for 5 minutes. Alright, here we go. It's good. What I will do now is to cut my mboro in sizes and put it inside. So this is my size. I don't know about you. You can cut your own anyhow you want it, big, small, is your choice. But for me, I cut it, I love this cube size. So this is how I'm going to cut it till I finished everything inside this bowl. I'm done cutting my mboro inside my pot. So I have to cover it and allow it to boil very well. Then we'll come back and check. Alright, let's check and see how our mboro is cooking. It's cooking smoothly. So I'll turn it and see if it is properly boiled. love what I'm seeing. Now, I've tested it and I've seen that there is no pepper in it. So I've added my remaining pepper. Also, add my salt. Don't forget, this is finishing stage. After this, we are done with otor mboro. And the remaining oil, make it colorful. Okay, here we go. Ooh, otor mboro is ready to serve. Akwaibom is the bird. So I will add my scent leaf now, the last thing. And turn it. It's not too thick, not too watery. This is how otor mboro is. Sweet and delicious. Mouth-watering otor mboro.